I'm high as I've ever been, higher than heaven sits. Roll up my weed and think about my exes and jealousness, how to stay current and relevant.
Yo, hey guys, it's me again, and these are the 5 things you need to have to start a car channel in 2020. So you're probably wondering, Brian, wait, you don't have a car channel? What are you talking about? Well, coming very soon is the Automotive Hustle. Me and my cousin are starting this channel where we review cars and everything. Anyway, let's get on with the video. So, to start off, by creating a car channel in 2020, of course, you're gonna need a few things. Number one being, well, of course, a car. You have to have a car to start a car channel. That's a no-brainer, right? It can be any car. It doesn't even matter if it's a new car, old car, fast car, slow car. It honestly doesn't matter. It can be an old crappy Nissan, or it can be a brand new exotic car. It really doesn't matter. But for the second thing you're gonna need is a camera. It can be any camera. Right now, what I'm recording with is my phone, believe it or not. Now, to make it look cinematic like how it is, hopefully you think it looks cinematic at least, I have on an anamorphic lens, and I also have a gimbal and a tripod. So I have a whole little setup here for my phone. But honestly, you don't really need to start off with all these gadgets. You can just have your phone, doesn't matter what type of phone, or basically any camera. So for a camera, you really don't need to have that expensive of a camera. Like I said, I'm using my phone right now, and I also have here this Sony PSC-HX80. So this camera is a few years old. It's probably technology from 2016, believe it or not, but it has a little flip-up screen, which is kind of nice for vlogging or whatnot. And it can shoot up to 1080p 60. 1080p is probably the quality of what you're trying to go for, especially right now in 2020, where a lot of YouTubers are pumping out videos 4K, 60 FPS and whatnot. 1080p is basically the bare minimum for 2020. In the past, it used to be 720p, but now everyone is switching up to 4K, so 1080p seems like the minimum now. The third thing you're gonna need for a car channel in 2020 is, well, a lavalier mic. Now, honestly, you can just use the first two, a car and a camera, and basically start your channel like that. But if you're looking to start a channel right and gain subscribers, you're gonna want a little professional equipment. So right here, if you guys haven't noticed, I've been recording audio through my lavalier microphone. Now, what is a lavalier microphone? It's these little clip-on mics. You see, clip-on. And you can use your phone to record. You can use the voice memo recorder if you have an iPhone, or just any voice recorder you can download on App Store or Google Play. It really doesn't matter. Or you can go more professional and get like a wireless recorder and stuff for your lavalier mic. So having a lavalier mic will definitely upgrade your audio quality, and especially now in 2020, where content and quality is definitely a big thing right now to start off with a channel. You're definitely gonna want some high quality stuff. So right here, this microphone is a Power Device microphone. It was like 40 bucks on Amazon. You can go cheaper, you can go more expensive, but $40 is around the price range where you get quality product, and it honestly sounds pretty good. The fourth thing you're gonna want to start a car channel in 2020 is an action camera. So right here, honestly, it can be a GoPro, it can be a knockoff GoPro, it can be basically anything, but action cameras, if you've been watching any car videos, action cameras are a must for a car channel. Why, you ask? Well, if you put it, you can use a suction cup and record yourself driving. That's how mostly every other YouTuber does it. They suction cup their GoPro or action camera to their windshield, their front windshield, and just record themselves talking and while driving at the same time. And when selecting an action camera like this one right here, you honestly have a lot of options to go with. On Amazon, there's hundreds and hundreds of listings on action cameras if you look it up. So basically this one is a Cross Tour CT9000, I believe. So this thing was, believe it or not, $40, and it can record 4K and has Wi-Fi. It's $40, that's insane of a price for something you would assume would be hundreds of dollars, like the new GoPros, which are like 400 bucks. So to start off, a $40 one, less than $100. You'll be able to use it. It might not have image stabilization, so your video might become a little shaky if you're attaching it in the suction cup or whatnot. But because you're in a car and a car rolls on wheels, the video won't look that bad. So if you want a preferred budget for an action camera, I would say around the $100 range, you can find some good action cameras that record 4K natively and have image stabilization. You can also use the suction cups and everything to like mount it on a car to get like cool shots, or if you're doing race videos, put them on the outside so you can record the race footage and whatnot. So these things are very versatile. You can throw them basically anywhere and they can do a lot of things. And this also kind of ties in with the fifth thing you're gonna want for a car channel in 2020, and that is camera accessories. So this goes hand in hand with the action camera. You're gonna want a whole bunch of accessories for a camera. So basically, right here, this is like a little attachment that comes with the camera. It has a little clip, so you can clip it on your shirt. You can clip it basically anywhere. So with these action cameras, you can also go ahead and buy some accessories like a head strap or a chest strap, so you can record point of view footage. So here's some point of view footage with the CT9000 action camera that I mentioned earlier. It's kind of overexposed and everything is blown out in front, but you can always probably fix that in post. But this is the $40 action camera. Let me know how it looks. Another cool thing to have, as mentioned before, is a suction cup. So these things, they don't even have to be that expensive. They aren't really that expensive, especially on Amazon. This one right here is a Fat Gecko suction cup mount for your action camera. So it basically fits any action camera. Most of the accessories are pretty interchangeable for every action camera manufacturer. So it doesn't matter if it's a GoPro or a cross tour like this one. It honestly doesn't matter. So you can just suction cup like this, like I said, to the windshield, to the outside of the car, basically anywhere to get those nice shots for racing or just commentary and whatnot. So basically those were the 5 things you need to start a car channel in 2020. Now I just wanted to let you guys know, as I said before, we are starting the Automotive Hustle. This is a brand new channel where me and my cousin are gonna start reviewing cars. So first off, we're gonna do a review on my own 2017 Hyundai Azera. You guys probably never heard of a Hyundai Azera, and that is the reason why we're doing this channel. Cars that generally don't get talked about or reviewed a lot, they tend to go unnoticed, but they are absolutely great deals on the used market, and you can pick one up for a stellar deal, way under MSRP of what they were new, thanks to depreciation. We're gonna start reviewing cars, and here is a little sneak peek of everything to come. So make sure you subscribe to the Automotive Hustle. I'm gonna put a link down in the description. Go ahead and subscribe because our new video, our first video, is gonna be coming out soon. So make sure you're subscribed and turn on post notifications so you're notified of when it comes out. So that's basically it for this video. Those are the 5 things you need to know for starting a car channel in 2020. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this. I know I haven't been uploading a lot. My last upload was probably a few months ago, and those were school projects, as you most likely know if you watched them. But I'm gonna start trying to review more stuff on here on my channel. Car products, new iPhones, technology, honestly anything. It can be anything. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like and subscribe for the next video, and see you guys later. Peace.